Hello, I'm Rene Crowe. I work for the service desk. I'm an information technology associate and I provide service for 5,100 employees throughout the state of California. I assist them with Office 365, Azure, and Active Directory. Our department believes in equity, diversity, and inclusion, and we cultivate these values throughout our daily habits. Administering critical programs that help some Californians' most vulnerable residents. We are focusing on providing help to the most vulnerable, strengthening communities, and ensuring that everyone can reach their highest level of health and potential for the success of life.